How to get a $150 Sephora coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Sephora coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Sephora. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers in this page. Just scroll and check. $45 off, $40 off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on the offer. So here's the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Sephora. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Sephora. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount on your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Sephora. This way, you can easily get up to $150 working coupon code for Sephora. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.